Make a custom leatherette patch hat with me. No laser needed. My cap press is set at 280 degrees and I'm going to use a medium pressure for 13 seconds. I've already tacked my Caesar brick material to the patch using the same time and pressure, just a slightly lower 270 degree temp. Look at that texture and dimension. Next, remove the backing from the patch. Pre-press the hat for just a few seconds. Then position the patch where you'd like it. Place craft paper over the patch and press. Just like that, you have a custom patch hat with no laser needed. Have you tried this new product yet?